So we are not today out in Millie. It's been a bit too cold. There's a bit of a cold spell at the beginning of January. We've just come out today on a day trip. Harry's got some pictures to take for his college project, so we have ventured to Blackpool. Now, we are going to try out our new drone that we've had, which was a bit of a family Christmas present. So looking forward to having to go with this on the front. Now we've had to come like out of the centre of Blackpool because otherwise we're too close to the airport. But yes, you can see the sea. So we're going to have fun and try out this new drone.
Home point updated.
Here it is. It's a cold day today. Not sure if we'll be out for very long. Oh, hell! I can hear it. Oh, there we go. Here we go. Take off. Ooh, it started up. Excellent.
Home point updated.
And we're going up. And off we go. Well, that was fun. It started beeping, battery low. and we clicked the return to home button, and for some reason it just took it right up in the air, so that was a bit scary. But yeah, we've brought it back and changed the battery, so it's out again and we're having another go. So also over here I'm just testing out these new little microphones they've got, because I know sometimes it's hard to hear us with the wind and stuff. Oh look, he's playing with it behind. Very good, don't get it caught in my hair. I'm zooming it around everywhere. Oh, going into land. Well, we've come into Coral Island for a walk and a drink while we're waiting for the kids. But it's not a nice bottle of red. It's a hot chocolate and a coffee. Because we're absolutely freezing. It's like -2 or something. Very cold today, very cold. Thank you for joining us today in our mini adventure with the drone. It was fun, really enjoyed that. Bit of a scary point at one point where we tried to get it to return home and it just decided to go up in the air, but yeah, it's all fun. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we shall see you on the next adventure.